Hi, this is Eric with Noteworthy Software, and today I want to talk a little bit about the new object plugins in Noteworthy Composer version 2.75, specifically Mike Schwalick's Slur.ms object. I'm running Noteworthy Composer on a Mac today using a program called Crossover. As you can see, I have version 2.75 running here. Every copy of Noteworthy Composer 2.75 includes numerous object plugins available to use right away in the program. The one we're going to talk about today is Slur.ms. There is an update on the Noteworthy Composer Forum for the Slur.ms object, and if you've not done so, you should visit Tools, Manage Objects, and run the online sync, and look for an update to the Slur.ms object. So what I want to show is how you can use Slur.ms to emulate or in fact go beyond Noteworthy Composer's built-in slur capabilities. So I have here two staves. The first I'm going to use to add Noteworthy Composer's built-in slur. So I will do that now. And so there it is. Now in the lower staff, I'm going to insert Mike's Slur.ms object type by going to Insert Object. I can type in SL and down arrow, and that'll highlight the Slur.ms object. I'm going to accept all of the defaults here and press OK. So by default, the Slur.ms object spans 2 notes. We can extend that. And one way to do it now, we're going to start by selecting the actual object's anchor down here. So I'm going to hold the Shift key down on the keyboard and left click just to the left of the anchor. That I've now got the Slur.ms object selected. I can press J on the keyboard to open a menu for that object. This indicates that it is the Slur.ms object. And Mike's added this adjust parameter menu, and it enables us to control what the plus minus keys on the keyboard do to the object. So for starters, I'm going to select the span, which is currently at 2 notes. And then I'm going to use the plus key on the keyboard to increase that span to the 4 notes. Now I'm going to back to the J menu, and I'm going to change the adjustment parameter to be strength. That enables me to use the plus minus keys to increase and decrease the strength for the slur. I'm going to bump it up to about there, and then I'm going to use the adjustment parameter balance to shift the slur to the left. And then I'm going to go back to strength to round it out. Now there's additional parameters that can be used to move the exact anchor positions for the slur at each endpoint. So for example, I could move the vertical position at the endpoint by selecting that parameter and then using plus to move it. When I'm done doing all of this, I simply go to View, Refresh Score, and that'll cause those anchor positions around the slur to stop drawing the squares. So now I've got my slur roughly the way I want it to look, and I can go on to additional notation.